All right, guys. So welcome to another Q&A. So I got a question is, Nick, how do I use verbal judo? How do I diffuse? How do I de-escalate? Is there a strategy and a tactic to diffusing a fight? And the answer to the question is yes. But before we start, guys, what I'm going to be doing is posting daily or every 2 days a brand new video. It's going to be Q&As. If you have any questions, self-defense, fitness, maybe lifestyle type of question, leave it in the comment box. As well as if you want to learn more self-defense, guys, all my new content is on my website, nickdrossos.com. I have a brand new kids program, women's self-defense, a brand new fight analysis, a combat conditioning series, a realistic scenario, safety tips. This is, the library right now, which is going to be launched on the 15th of February this week. It's a safety for the entire family. So go check that out, as well as I have my instructor course, April 11 and 12 here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This is level 1. Spaces are limited. There's to 8 people and only 4 spaces left. So I got somebody who registered yesterday. So go check that out at nickdrossos.com. Now, how do you diffuse? How to use verbal judo? Now, the first thing I tell people, there is a few strategies and a few things you need to know when you're about to diffuse. First of all, I tell 90% of the fights can be verbally diffused. One of the main things to verbally diffusing a fight is keeping your ego in check. Trying not to take it personal, trying not to escalate the fight. Don't put fire with fire. Staying calm and keeping your tone of the voice low, staying engaged, trying to communicate as best as you can. So the first tip I can give you, actually, realistically, authentically, try to diffuse the fight. Don't do it out of strategy. Do it because you don't know if this guy's got a weapon, if he wants to stab you, kill you, if they're gonna jump you, even if you successfully beat him, he doesn't come back after you. So really diffuse the fight. Second of all, keep the conversation engaged. Always keep the conversation going. Listen to what he's saying or asking. Communicate. The more you could communicate, the higher chances you have of pattern interrupting, changing the conversation, breaking the conversation, finding a way to control his mind through talking to him. So, and the more you get him talking, the less chances and the longer it's going to take for him to try to set up his first strike. But as well, by default, as you're talking to him, as much as it looks like you're just talking to him and trying to de-escalate the fight, you're also looking at behavior, de-escalation. What is he saying? You're looking at his hands. Where is he moving? Is he angling off? Does he have a friend? Are they two? While you're talking to him, what I'm actually doing is analyzing my entire environment, everything that I have in my surrounding that could play for me or against me. So it works in that sense. 3, if the person is no longer communicating, that means if I'm trying to diffuse the situation and he's just constantly repeating, or I've lost communication, or I'm trying to regain communication, that's probably the first sign that you've lost him. That means he's hit a point where he's no longer engaging in you. He's gotten into his head and he's nothing more than starting to prepare his attack. So when you start losing communication, that's the first sign that you gotta start getting ready to possibly go preemptive, strike him, because the fight is about to hit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit my website, nickdrossos.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.